Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer crypto from Trezor Suite to MetaMask, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, ensure that you have installed both Trezor Suite and MetaMask on your device. Open the Trezor Suite application and connect your Trezor wallet to your computer. Enter your PIN to access your wallet. In Trezor Suite, navigate to the Accounts tab. Select the account from which you wish to transfer cryptocurrency. Click on the Send button. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Now, open your MetaMask wallet. If you haven't logged in yet, enter your password to access your MetaMask. Once in MetaMask, select the asset you want to receive. Click on the account name to copy your wallet address to the clipboard. Return to Trezor Suite. Paste your MetaMask wallet address into the recipient field. Double-check the address to ensure it is correct. Confirm the transaction details, including the amount and the address. Click on Send to initiate the transfer. You may need to confirm the transaction on your Trezor device. Follow the prompts on your Trezor to finalize the transaction. Wait for the transfer to complete, which may take a few moments. Once the transaction is confirmed, return to your MetaMask wallet. Check that the transferred cryptocurrency appears in your MetaMask balance. You have successfully transferred crypto from Trezor Suite to MetaMask. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.